The president exhorted the nation to act as a beacon or role model to others through acts of kindness and goodwill, which can multiply exponentially if others follow the followers one inspires. Likewise, the president stressed on the essence of Christmas, sharing and caring for others who are less skilled, schooled, and sufficiently provided in life. We have the story from Sharms Espina.
Be a light and be kind to others. That is the message of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to Filipinos this Christmas Day. In his message, the president emphasized the spirit of the Filipino Christmas as a time of joy, reflection, and sharing blessings, especially with those who are experiencing hardships in life. The president reminded the public that despite the feasts and gatherings, it is important to focus attention on those who need help the most, including the poor, the sick, victims of disasters, and those on the margins of society. He highlighted the importance of showing special care for children, who represent the very essence of the Christmas celebration, while encouraging everyone to show kindness, joy, and compassion to everyone they meet as a fulfillment of the true meaning of the Christmas season. He also expressed hope that the deepest aspirations of every Filipino will be fulfilled and that love and goodwill will continue to guide families and communities across the country. He also encouraged Filipinos to give thanks for the blessings they received throughout the year.
Sa pagtatapos nitong taon, tayo ay magpasalamat para sa mga biyayang ating natanggap. Na sa lahat ng pagsubok na buong tapang nating hinarap, tayo ay naging matagumpay.
He also wished for a more comfortable and better life for every Filipino in the coming new year.
Sasalubong natin sa Pasko at ng bagong taon, naway lalo pa tayong mabiyayaan ng magandang kalusugan, mapaligiran ng mabubuting pamilya at kaibigan, at magkaroon ng mas masaganang kabuhayan. Kaya po, mula sa aming pamilya, kami ay bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.
This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.